Hello! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're making a refreshing drink packed with amazing health benefits. This beverage strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, supports vision, and improves skin hydration and appearance. Furthermore, this powerful combination supports liver health, improves digestion, detoxifies the body, and boosts energy levels. So, watch the full video to learn the recipe and discover the benefits of each ingredient. The first ingredient we need to prepare this great mixture is 50 grams of ginger. Peel and chop the ginger into small pieces. This potent root, rich in gingerol, offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. It aids digestion, eases nausea, and boosts circulation while supporting heart health and immunity with antibacterial and antiviral properties. Effective against colds and flu, it also cleanses the lungs, accelerates metabolism, and supports weight management. Put the chopped ginger into the blender. Next, we need 1 fresh orange. Squeeze the juice of the orange and pour it into the blender. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin glowing and healthy. In addition, oranges contain antioxidants that protect cells and reduce inflammation. They keep your body hydrated. Fiber in oranges aids in digestion and helps maintain intestines' health. Please let us know in the comments which country you are watching from. The next thing to make this amazing potion is a lemon. Let's squeeze the lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and supports skin health. They also aid digestion, detoxify the liver, and contain antioxidants that reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Despite their acidity, lemons help balance the body's pH levels and support overall well-being. Additionally, lemons help prevent aging and keep the body in great condition. If you are enjoying watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to the ingredients. Now, we need half a teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, we add 200 milliliters of water to the blender. It's time to blend everything together. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and support joint health. This nutrient reduces the risk of developing colon, breast, skin, and prostate cancer. Black pepper enhances the absorption of nutrients, especially curcumin from turmeric, making the drink more effective. It also aids digestion by stimulating stomach acid production, helping with bloating and indigestion. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more healthy recipes. Now, strain the mixture to remove any pulp and ensure a smooth drink. This drink, made with ginger, lemon, orange, turmeric, and black pepper, boosts your immune system with vitamin C and reduces inflammation, thanks to ginger and turmeric. It supports digestion, detoxifies the body, and helps relieve bloating. The antioxidants promote glowing skin and protect your cells from damage. Regular consumption can also give you a natural energy boost, without the crash from sugary drinks. Our drink is ready, both delicious and packed with health benefits. Drink 15 to 20 milliliters every morning on an empty stomach to boost your health and energy. Be sure to consult your doctor for the right dosage, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health conditions. Enjoy your miracle drink. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We wish you health. Goodbye.